the final problem on the quiz review for section 1, chapter 7 quiz. Angle theta is in the first quadrant and the sine of theta is set 4/7. Find the following. And cosine of theta, cosine of pi minus theta, and sine of pi plus theta. So I'm going to draw my circle here to kind of visualize where I'm at. And the sine is says it's in the first quadrant. Sine is my height. So this right here is 4/7. I'm thinking about it as 1 unit. Okay? My radius is worth 1. Again, my radius is going to always be worth 1. We're going to use the Pythagorean identity of cosine of theta squared plus sine of theta squared equals 1 to solve this. Okay? So we're going to find cosine, what we don't know, plus sine squared was 4/7. Do not change that into a decimal. Don't you dare even think about it. Okay? I want to keep it as fractions. It's the most exact answer I'm ever going to get. Cosine of the angle squared plus 4 squared is 16. 7 squared is 49 equals 1. Okay? Continuing to solve for cosine of the angle. So I'm going to subtract. I'm going to take 1 minus 16 49s. This is really 49 49s. Right? So if I subtract that from there, I'm going to end up having 33 49s. Now I want to get the squared gone, so I take the square root. Again, cosine of the angle, I need to have it be plus or minus. I need to think about it. Which one is it? Square root of 33. The square root of 49 I know, so I can reduce that to just say it's 7. Okay, instead of saying square root of 33 over 49, it's the square root of 33, and then that is divided by 7. So in the first quadrant, which is my cosine is my sideways distance, my height is to the right, so my cosine is going to be positive. Okay, so the first answer, part A, is going to be the square root of 33 divided by 7. Taking the square root of 49 is why my denominator is different than the square root of 49. Okay. Next question is to think about the cosine of pi minus the angle. So let me draw maybe a new circle over here. Pi and backwards my angle. Backwards the alpha. I mean theta. Geez. Okay. So I'm going backwards here. So this is my angle. I want to find the cosine of that, okay, which is this horizontal distance, which is very, very, very similar to this horizontal distance, except it's on the left. Okay, so left equals negative stuff. So it's going to be same value, same number of radical of 33 over 7, because it's the same reference angle, but it's to the left, so it is going to be a negative number. Negative radical 3 over 7. Okay. Last one is sine of pi plus my angle. So I'm going to take, I'm at pi here, and then I'm going to have my angle theta down here. So I'm working with this blue triangle. So sine is the height. Okay. So I know the sine was given to me right here. It was 4/7, but this time I'm below the ground. So this is also going to be negative. So I'm talking about sine, and if it's below the ground, negative 4/7. They gave you that in the problem right here. But since it's below ground, it's going to be negative. So again, I can draw my unit circle, use the reference angle, use this Pythagorean identity, and find the missing values.